Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the code block feature in Squarespace 7.0. If you want to add custom code to your site, like a YouTube video, interactive widget, or anything else you can dream up, this tutorial will guide you through every step, whether you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end, you'll know how to place a code block, add your own code, and make it actually display on your site. Let's dive in. So first things first, let's go to your Squarespace website dashboard. Make sure you're logged in so you can access the editing features. Once you're there, look for the Edit Site button. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the website builder where you can actually make changes to your pages. Now, you're in editing mode. To add code, you'll need to add a new section to your page. You'll see little options to add a section wherever you'd like, above or below existing content, or even between areas to create stylish separation. Adding a section basically gives you a fresh area where you can insert all kinds of content, including our code block. Click Add Section, and a menu pops up letting you choose what kind of section you want. For this demo, we'll keep it simple and select a blank section so it's nice and tidy, but you can add a code block to any section you want. Once your new section appears, it's time to add a block inside it. Blocks are the building pieces of Squarespace pages. You can use them for text, images, videos, and, yes, code. In your new section, look for the little plus icon or prompt to Add Block. Click that, and scroll through the options until you find Code Block. The icon usually looks like a little snippet of code, easy to spot. Click it and you'll see a new empty code block appear in your section. Now here's where the magic happens. The code block is essentially a blank canvas. You can paste in any HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, depending on what you want your site to do. For this example, let's embed a YouTube video. Not only is this a popular use case, but it's a nice way to see how flexible these code blocks can be. So, open up YouTube and find the video you'd like to share on your Squarespace site. Below the video, locate the Share button. Then click Embed. This brings up a small window with a snippet of HTML code. Don't worry if it looks complicated. You don't need to modify it. Just click Copy to get the embed code onto your clipboard. Head back over to Squarespace and click into your new code block. Paste the YouTube embed code you just copied. Take a quick second to check that the code got pasted in cleanly without any extra formatting. That can sometimes happen if you copy from certain browsers, but if it looks like a block of text starting with... And there you go! You've successfully added a code block, pasted in custom code, and made it display. Whether you're embedding videos, contact forms, or custom scripts, the process will be pretty similar every time. If this part feels a little tricky, don't worry. Squarespace makes it easy to adjust or remove code blocks so you can experiment without fear. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more web building tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if you ran into any snags. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching and happy building!